Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. For those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. You won't miss anything, especially for beginners. If you are new here, please first subscribe so that you and ring the bell so that you can't miss anything about this channel. You can't miss anything amazing about this channel. Yeah guys, I'm here to show you how you can do knit lines in 4C hair. Yeah, sometimes you can call it lines or cornrows. Sometimes you guys, you don't know how to make it when it is knit in short hair. Today I'm here to show you how you can do it, and it looks nice more than you can see. This is the hair is short and it's not nice as you can see, but you can plant it and it looks nice than more than you can see. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. Please watch this video carefully so that you can see everything and every step about this video. This is a simple hair, everyone can make it. So if you don't know how to make lines, please don't miss this video. Yeah, continue watching the video. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything about us.